to take out this catheter today, which I'm excited about. Here's my little medical kit. These specialists, I'm just wondering, are they not putting themselves like in their patient's shoes? Because he acted like it's no big deal. I'm just gonna send you home in a catheter. You're gonna keep it in for a week. You're gonna just keep carrying your little babies around. You're just gonna go pick up your kids from school. You're gonna go grocery shopping with your bag. Like it's no big deal. And then when you're sleeping, you're just gonna keep waking up non-stop because you gotta roll over, but you gotta get your bag first to roll over. So you roll over, and then you know what? You're kind of tired sleeping that way. So now you gotta roll back over. So then you gotta pick up your bag and roll back over. And you gotta make sure everything's just not moving around down there. And he treated it as if it was no big deal. Like, dude, do you want me to stick this thing in your urethra and you walk around and still perform your job all day long taking care of patients with a catheter hanging out of your penis? Like, no, okay? No, you don't. Like, I'm just blown away. Anyways, this is why I haven't updated y'all, because I've been sick. This is unrelated to the tummy tuck. At least I hope it is. At least I think it is. Who really knows what everything's related to, as I had a lot of surgeries at one time, and then my body just has not recovered as well as all of my doctors would have hoped. Yeah. A urologist specializes in like your urinary tract and all that type of stuff, everything that goes into that. So when you go, you think that they're gonna have something to put your catheter, like tape it on, but no. You see this? This is just some of my tape, because I go to an office and they don't have the leg patch that holds the catheter in place. The specialty is urology. Like, why do you not have a leg patch? Like, I'm just confused. Like, are you a urologist or are you not? Because a urologist, a specialty office, should have a leg patch for a catheter bag. Like, seriously. So then I get sent with, this is not what they did. They put some gauze on top and then taped it up with 2 pieces of tape, as if this tube right here is not going to just slide up and down underneath the gauze, which it did, and then keep pulling on the tube that's in my urethra. Yeah. So then I decided, you know what? I am not keeping a catheter like this in for the next week. I'm just not going to. I can barely even get around. My little 10-month-old just wants to hang on to my catheter bag. He just wants to play with it and pull on all this stuff. And it's just, I just cannot mother with all of this happening. Like, where is this even supposed to hook onto? Like, am I just supposed to sit down on the couch and just do nothing with my life? I'm sorry, I gotta hold on to my bag. Like, again, if you're a urologist, you specialize in this stuff, shouldn't you have the leg bag that kind of straps onto your leg so you can still go about doing some portion of your life? I would think you should have that, if that's your specialty. Not my urologist. It is so frustrating being a patient. There's an Amazon guy at my door right now. So I got sent home with this, with the instructions that he was just going to put in an order and straight cast would arrive to my doorstep today, because he said this yesterday. Well, the pharmacy called and they're like, I'm not even sure what your doctor's talking about. We don't deliver things to your doorstep. And 2, you get catheters from like a medical supply place, not from like a pharmacy. So that pharmacy called Publix, they called Walgreens, they called CVS, and they called Rite Aid, all in my area. And all of them were like, no, we 1, we don't have them. 2, we can't get them and just ship them to your doorstep tomorrow. We can't even get them tomorrow for you to come and pick up. We're not sure what your doctor's talking about. Like, are you a urologist or are you not? Like, have you ordered straight casts for patients or have you not? Like, shouldn't you know how to order this stuff? Through lots of talking to pharmacists as a patient, trying to figure out how I get these straight casts so I can take this one out. Finally, I got it situated and my sweet husband went and picked me up my straight cast. Like, I didn't get any instructions really on how to use these straight casts. It's not like I've ever done a straight cast on myself. My bladder used to work. Like, I used to be able to pee by myself, but now I can't. So I pick up these, right? And it literally is just a straight cast. So it doesn't come with anything else. I was not told by the urologist, hey, you need to go buy, I don't know, some cleaning supplies, maybe iodine, I'm not sure, whatever. But I know that that area has to be cleaned every time you put these things in. Yeah, nothing. He's just like, yeah, just order it, it'll come to your doorstep. I'm thinking everything I'm needing is gonna come to my doorstep. And if it's not, then you would have told me otherwise, that, hey, you need to go grab this, this, and this, and then these, just the catheters are gonna arrive at your doorstep. So that's that. I got sent home with this, knowing that I was gonna get these today, which my doctor didn't even really make happen, but I made happen because I am a bigger advocate for my body than my doctor is. So I get sent home with this, with full knowledge that that I'm taking this out today. Well, normally, you know, this comes in a kit, right? It comes in a nice little box. It has all the different things, and it has a syringe. So you can drain right through here, right? Pull the fluid out that filled up the little balloon that's inside. And it sticks in there and it releases the pressure and it pulls out the fluid, right? Do I need to go get a syringe now? I mean, we knew this was a plan. You don't want to send me home with a syringe? Am I supposed to know I need a syringe? Am I just gonna resort to Google and I'm just gonna cut this off and hopefully all the fluid that you put in comes out?